Guys, so if you like onion rings, you're going to enjoy these crinkle cut onion slices. So I'm going to show you how I do it. So basically what you're going to need is you're going to need a big bowl. Then you're going to take 1 teaspoon of paprika. You're going to take 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. And you're going to take a half a teaspoon of ground cumin. And you're going to take a 3/4 cup of flour, and then you're going to mix it into a batter. You're going to add, I have beer here because I like beer battered. So you're going to take 1 cup of beer, and then you're going to take a 1/2 cup of water. We use this Poland Spring, but you can have any water. And you're going to make a batter out of it. Now once you get the batter, you're going to have a crinkle cutter, or I guess you could use a knife if you don't have that. You're going to take a whole onion, and you're going to slice it this way, and then you're going to slice it this way till you get slices like this, and make them a little thicker. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and dip them in to the mixture like this, and then you're going to have an air fryer, and I already did one batch just to test it, and it was really good, so I'll share it. And you're going to lay your parchment paper in that air fryer, and then you're just going to lay the slices down like that. And you're going to just keep doing that till you get your air fryer filled. Like that. And if it falls apart, it's okay. You can try to stick it back together as much as you possibly can. Now once you get that when you get this little air fryer thing filled, then you're going to go ahead and bake it. Okay, so here's my air fryer. I got the It's Beautiful by, what is her name? I can't think of her name. So I'll show you. We got it on clearance for 45 bucks. Beautiful. Drew Barrymore. I'm like, it's an actress's name, but I couldn't remember. Okay, so you're going to put your slices in there, and then you're just going to turn it on air fry. So it comes on like that. Hit the button, hit air fry, leave it at 400, and then hit start. And then you're just going to go ahead and bake it until they're done. I don't know. I'll tell you how long it takes. Okay guys, so this was 8 minutes. Now I took them out and I flipped them over. You'll see this side's done, but this side, you see how the batter has come off? Now what you want to do is take them back over to your original batter, and you're going to try to dip them again. If you don't have enough left over, you can either make more or get a spatula or something to put some more on. But I would suggest to make a little more and double dip them. Okay, for mine, I just went ahead, I double dipped this one, but I was like, nah, I think I'll just take. So I took a spatula and I just put some batter on top of there. That way it used up all my leftover batter. Now I'm going to go ahead and bake these again. Basically, the time that was left on here is 12 minutes. You'll see it flash here in a second. There it goes. So I just pulled them out and touched it up with a little batter and pushed them back in. And we're going to let that cook. Okay guys, here we are, 6 more minutes on this side, and now they're done. See, I'll be back when they're all plated up. Okay guys, there you go. There you have it. That's what they look like. Let me see if I could show you what one looks like inside. Okay, here's what it looks like cut. Doesn't that look good? Okay, see that one? It's cooked perfectly. So 8 minutes on one side, flip them, add extra batter like I did on the top, or you can re-dip them if you want, and go another 6 minutes in your air fryer on 400, and there you have it. And I use this beer here because it's vegan. Hopefully you guys will like this. Give it a try. Tell me what you think. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.